Okay, first off, apologies that it's taken so long to post a video. Since we've been in Moliets this summer, it's been having too much fun surfing most days or doing some kind of ocean play. Both boys are working here. Actually, Sami's working as well. She's got teaching an art class once a week. Only one's not working is me, but doing a bunch of projects around the apartment. And so yeah, just my mind hasn't been into it. I apologize. I need to. I'm never gonna make it as a YouTuber. But anyway, this video is just a compilation of unedited clips from a couple of days when our friend visited us and we went to the Arcachon area, the Dune du Pilat, and then later went in the opposite direction towards the border of Spain, crossed into northern Spain, and visited for a very brief time the wonderful city of Donostia, San Sebastian. Anyway, check it out. Here we are again at the Dune du Pilat.
And
Avec mon ami Paul, 3 balles, 3 balles, Paul. Paul de 3 balles. Et ma femme, le Sami, la Sami. Here we are again. Paul making the moves on my wife. And I wasn't all that enthused to come because we've been there, done that. But then once I'm up here, I'm like, oh yeah, this is cool. Even with the crowds of people in the summer. And then looking back on the forest is just awesome also. And then in the distance there is the Bay of Arcachon. It's a big bay. Yeah. And last time we were here, it was very blue and sunny.
super patch.
And that sand island called the Bank something or other. Pretty cool. It'd be fucking cool to pull up a boat and do a Fiesta Island on that, huh?
On the Bank of France.
Look at the people who go to camping out.
Yeah. Yeah, of course. 3-ball Paul and this Dune du Pilat. Here we go at the Dune du Pilat. And it's quite windy out, as you can probably hear from the mic. There you go. Yeah.
Don't film me at my worst.
Go ahead. Get it, get it, get it. Yeah, good catch. Little short. Woohoo! Good grab. Yeah. So here we are living a good life and really looking like Mr. Paul McNeil here has kind of fucking up our socialist creds for taking us to the sort of elitist establishment here, the Start Hotel, Corniche or whatever.
Yeah.
Living the DJ life.
Wow, the view from this hotel is amazing. Like the sandbank on there, the ocean.
Our friends are always somewhere near.
So now we're leaving the whatever this hotel is. I'm already rolling. All right. Paul working. Checking his that was a pretty good model walk. Dang,
good,
dude.
Paul, that's good.
Yeah.
Good, because a lot of people, they're like this.
What's this hotel called
The steps are
again?
too short, And they're swinging.
Yeah.
It's not supposed to be
Like
exactly like
Corniche.
they're walking down the street. But
Yeah.
you want to give above those ugly cars.
Impossible. Oh, what a sunset it's turning out to be. Oh my God, the sunsets they must have here. And looking back. Very understated.
Yeah.
Discreet. All right, we are on the train. We have just crossed the border into Spain to head into San Sebastian to drop off Paulo, where he
Hang out
will,
with him in San Sebastian.
to hang out a little bit in San Sebastian, and then he's taking the late bus to Barcelona, and then heading over to Andorra. Hey, Paul. Where are you going?
We're going to San Sebastian.
And then what?
Practice my Basque language. And be a Basque separatist. Bask in the sun.
I thought you were going for a tennis tournament with that headband.
Yeah, me and Rafa are going to hang out. But I'm going to go down to Mallorca. Yeah. For his tennis camp school down there.
And how long's your bus ride tonight?
We got a long journey. We're going to go, I think we got to 15 hours.
Ooh.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, I hope we can get some sleep on that
There will
bus.
be some juggling, there will be some journaling, there'll be a lot of catching up to do, and might make friends.
You make friends? Oh, I've never seen that before. I say that highly sarcastically.
Never meet a stranger.
So we've been in Donostia, San Sebastian for like a hot minute, and we are already like stunned at how green and beautiful it is. There he is. Notice how Jack the red man is.
That's crazy. It's crazy.
So we made it to the river.
You can't pronounce.
That I can't pronounce. A lot of Basque words.
Yeah, we don't know where the hell we are. These words are.
Right. We just spotted our first ugly building in San Sebastian. Look at that thing. It's about the ugliest building I've ever seen. They are admiring the baby's butts on this thing. This is very ornate bridge.
Like QR code.
I was impressed by the greenery.
Getting off that.
You got that Maria Teresa or somebody up on the hill. Oh my God, I'm starting to think this is the prettiest European city I've been to. And the interesting thing is, on the train ride in, we passed through more recent built, more modern stuff, and it was still very cool. Kept the European urban form, even the more recently built stuff. Very beautiful. Man, they love the bridges here. Keep them looking nice. That's the bridge we just got off of. And that's the bridge I just referred to. And it's cool little painted emblems on the celebrating colonial heritage. And then I can't get over that in such a beautiful city, there is one horrendous buildings looming as a reminder of what not to do. A little closer to the ocean. And then there's some big kind of a public building there, like performing arts or something. There's the ocean.
And a concert.
And finally, what it's really all about. So they don't.
Too late, man. We broke into it.
They don't call them tapas here. They call them pinchos, right? Is that a Basque word? And our minds are just blown. We just stopped at the first interesting looking place, and oh my God!
Packed inside. I mean, packed outside, so we had to sit inside. But
Oh
still.
my God! This has been sitting here across the border for the 2 years we've been coming. For the 3 years we've been 3 years really, because we Osagor. We went to Osagor during the summer during COVID, and always kind of intending to come here, but like,
The Seagulls moved in.
Yes.
You know what? I gotta say, this man, he is something special.
Yeah.
He does come into your life and kind of disrupt it in a really special, magical way. He does, and it's been like that ever since I've known him. I mean, you know, it just inspires us to do shit that,
We wouldn't do.
yeah, pretty fucking
we are.
amazing. Pretty
And here we
amazing.
are.
I'm getting teary-eyed saying
I
that.
did too. Nobody did.
I'm getting teary-eyed talking about
Sounds
that.
spicy.
This is the place. Oh my God, so good. Yeah. Excellent. Number one. Right here, man.
There's kind of a bar boutique down here on the left.
Okay.
So as we go down that way, is the
So shall we take this back or?
well, I can see down the beach and then make our way. 3 more blocks that way.
Oh, it is? Okay.
Yeah.
We're heading to the beach.
Yeah. Almost on the platform.
This place is just blowing me away. Look at this. Oh my God, dude, this is insane. This city,
Tommy.
I feel like it's going to get more and more on the European tourist list. Oh, sure. There he goes. There he goes. Okay, that's good. Well, we got some stay on now. Alright, we got it. We got it. Look at that. How beautiful is that? How amazing is that? Incredible. And it keeps going. Look at the beaches. So cool.
I think the island beach was the blue.
Right.
And the other one.
Yeah, this is kind of like a sheltered day of a beach. There's the ocean out that way. Look at this gentle Longboardy wave coming in.
Raisin tea.
Great wave to learn on. Amazing. Did I mention I'm completely blown away by this city? I did not know that this was waiting for us just across the border. It's okay. It's long. I'm kind of wondering what this two-tower thing is there. If I can. Oh, look at that. That's interesting. Interesting. Canary Island date palm. Look at civilized and genteel this is. Paul trying a new trick.
Okay.
I messed him up by filming him.
Right.
Well, it ends.
Why is it so
I end
dark?
up with two on this side, and I go like that. Bang. Go
Okay.
that. No, I gotta go just
Yeah.
lower.
Closer together.
Here.
And then a fuller shirt.
Go here. I go.
Paul's
over,
new trick.
I go over here, and then I go.
It's a little X-rated. Okay, kind of a choppy ending there. What happened was we got to the train station and there were no more trains running back across the border. So we were a little bit panicked, contemplating how we were going to, whether we were going to spend the night there, trying to find a hotel. We really weren't prepared to spend the night. Both our phones were just about to run out of power. We had no way of recharging them. We didn't bring cables with us, and kind of worried about the kids and so forth. The boys are at least not knowing where we were. So we ended up taking a cab back. I feared that it was going to be extremely expensive. It wasn't. Our cab driver was delightful. Loved to talk about a city, and it cost us about 65 euros to get back to the other side of the border, because we had driven from Molia to where our apartment is, and then we went to what you call it, Hyundai, spelled Hendaye. Parked a car there and took a train that takes you right into the center of Donostia, San Sebastian. So, and then when we caught the cab back, it just dropped us right off. He dropped us right off by our car.